guys, it's your boy V, and today we are going to the many islands of Palawan, and we're gonna be starting here at the Honda Bay Wharf. Syempre kasi nga we're waiting for our trip kasi nga ano ginagawa? We're waiting for Klook to come here kasi nga yun yung labok namin ni Ate Maggie, brand endorser ng Klook. So, so nandito na yung aming tour guide. Tumingin ka. So yun, we're following him right now kasi nga yun, pupunta kami sa van, pati magre-rent kami ng snorkeling mask or whatever, or pati diving shoes kasi nga medyo delikado daw if ever na walang ganun. So hindi ko na pagsiksiksikan yung sarili ko dyan kasi masikip. Pero yan, dyan kami mag-rent ng mask and shoes. Yes! Sige, walang awa. Para sa vlog.
From here, travel time po natin approximately 25 to 30 minutes.
Nasaan tayo?
Ano tayo lang sa Starfish Island?
Yes!
One of the best island and snorkeling spot here.
Ooh, I just come and put the hinges in the hand. Counting benches while we meet and make them shake my other hand. Nigga, rock is keeping all the blessings on my lap. Bitch, I know you tried to cheat, you should've never took a nap. Hey, fuck wrong with you, what you were thinking? Fuck you thought it was. You taught that talk that make a lame ass nigga fall in love. Not me though, bitch, you can keep those. Bro, I'm at your head like Craig did Debo.
Wait lang. Tama po, sir. Dito kayo sa harap, sir. Upo lang kayo, sir. Ma'am, doon po kayo sa likod. Yan. May pambato mo tayo? Pambato? Sir, thumbs up, sir. Sabi niya? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
If I was a soldier, I march to the beat, I'm on drum,
Hey guys, ngayon dumako na kami sa Luling Island. Tapos yung translation nun, literally, lulubog yung Lilitaw Island. Kasi sabi nila, pag high tide daw dito, mawawala itong buong island. Hindi naman buong island, kasi parang mukha lang siyang sandbar actually. And Lilitaw, syempre, pag low tide, kasi syempre, yun nga, gets nila yun. So the buffet is of course rice, pancit, I don't know what that is, pero yeah. And may lumpia, of course, very Filipino. Adobo ata yan, kare-kare. And this is my mom's favorite. Ito yung seaweed na gusto mo, di ba? Yeah. And they also have, of course, whatever this is, pero it looks very yummy, of course. Yeah. Are you hungry? Okay, hungry siya. Kain muna kami. Yeah, the island life.
you remind me of the rainforest. Yeah, you got something of a
Meanwhile,
Aba.
Wow. Para may itatangon si Mama.
Kaya may pa-view pa si Mami. Damn. Oh shit, I'm gonna die.
Oh, teka mo na! Sige, Ake!
Wala ba akong ano dun? Bilog, wala ba ako dun? Let's go. 1, 2. If I were you, I would.
Oh! Ang lalim! biggest island among the three we visited today, and really why. Kasi super dami nitong amenities. And really, we have the bar, another bar, and a lot of cottages. Pati madami dito activities right over there at the beach. Kaya it's really good spot if you wanna really hang out and have fun here in Palawan.
Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. $41. Don't be
Thanks, Kuya.
Thank you, Kuya.
Ano po?
Magay ka sa vlog!
Subscribe kayo kay Patrick Laano.
Yun!
Hey guys, it's your boy Boyby, and today I just finished editing the video and nandito ako sa floor ng airport. Pero who cares? Well, thanks guys for watching the video, and if you're new here, please subscribe. And of course, if you're waiting for new uploads like this, that's very experimental and very different from other vlogs. Click the notification bell para na-notified ka every time I make an upload. And of course, like this video kasi that will really help me. If makita ko na madaming likes, and I'll be matutuwa ako mag-upload ako ng next videos. And if you don't like the video, of course, just click the unlike button twice. Kasi syempre, kailangan natin twice yung unlike button. Well, you can also comment on this video what you want to say, what you want to suggest for the next video, or kung ano pang napapansin mo, or whatever pa. Basta just comment because I do read comments kahit masakit. And wait lang, kinakagat